What's up, everyone? It's your boy Wabbit from wabbitshot. Yeah, before I start today's section, I just want us to have a little 1 minute silence for those who love their lives in New Zealand. Hope by now you have heard the news. That was on Friday. This crazy dude took a machine gun, went to the mosques and started spraying people. It's really sad, and my condolences to those who have lost their loved ones, and I pray that this kind of thing won't happen again in this world. We have to preach peace and stop this war and separation and fight. It's not important. So please, let's stop all this. Okay, that said, let's get to this section. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Tech News Wednesday. Yeah, this is Wednesday. It's Tuesday. It's Wednesday. Trending tech news for you, because I'm Wabbit and I got your back the tech way. Before I start, make sure you're subscribed if you're new to this channel. And stay tuned, because I have a little bit surprise for you at the end.
From the beginning of time, games have brought us together. Players and spectators. By the handful, the hundreds and the thousands. We built stadiums. Places to gather around every kind of spectacle. Glory, tragedy. Pageantry, community, rivalry, and wonder. Until every city, town, and village had a place where anyone could play. Thousands of years in, our games have changed. But our need to come together remains. This new era of gaming needs a new place to gather. One place where anything you dream can be built. Playgrounds for every imagination. One place where you and everyone you know and everyone they know will all play together.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Let's go, squad! Let's go!
Yes! Get him! Boom!
One place that never stops evolving. Where everyone will play.
Where did he come from?
And watch.
Yes! High five! Strike! Bam!
And create.
Winner!
Woo!
Nice!
From any screen, at any time. One place for all the ways we play. This is Stadia. Gather round.
Okay, so the first news says Facebook has deleted 1.5 million videos of the gunman in New Zealand's shooting incidents from their Facebook platform. Yes, like Facebook is trying their best to delete any footage of videos that are spreading around in Facebook. Now, the guy who did this streamed the whole thing live. It's about 70 minutes video. He streamed the gunning down of those Muslims in the mosques at New Zealand, and Facebook is trying as much as possible to delete every video on their platform. So guys, let's stop sharing these videos. This is really sad. Okay, moving on. It's the World Wide Web's birthday today. The www, we all know World Wide Web has 30 years today. So let's say happy birthday to the World Wide Web. You know, we have come a long way. Imagine what you do without internet. 30 years ago, there was this man called Tim Berners-Lee. He wrote his paper proposing an information management system to facilitate information sharing between physicists in universities and other institutes around the world. So that's how World Wide Web was born. People confuse the both things, internet and the World Wide Web. They are two different things. I know a lot of us, even including me, I think they're the same, but they are two different things. Yeah, the internet is more like a building. It's like a building that houses the World Wide Web, emails, online gaming, all the streaming videos, like everything we know. Internet, yeah, the internet is the mother of all these things. So let's get the facts right. Yeah, and today is the World Wide Web's birthday. So I say happy birthday, World Wide Web. Just imagine what you do without internet, like without the World Wide Web. You can't use your browser, you can't search for anything, you can't watch online videos. Like our life is basically internet, basically the World Wide Web now. Yes, our life is basically about it, and I don't think you watching me if you didn't have the World Wide Web today. So we thank God that guy was created and he was able to give us this wonderful innovation. And see us now, it has really built us a lot. Information is like that fast. You can get it anywhere you are, no matter where you are, or so far as you have internet, you get access to the World Wide Web. So that's just by the way. And the next story here says students protest school cells tower after fourth child is diagnosed with cancer. So this group of students in Western Elementary School, that is in the US, California, yeah, in Ripon, California, were protesting with their parents for them to bring down this spring cell. You know, spring cell, it's a tower, like most of the marks we know, spring cell tower. The family, the parents and the students believe that it's this spring cell that is causing these students to get cancer. So they are protesting and trying to get the school authorities to pull down that spring cell. But the school is saying and the cancer of these students has nothing to do with the spring tower. Probably the spring tower is for something, maybe internet or something. I don't know what the spring tower is for, the spring cell is for. So the school is refusing to pull it down, and these students and their parents are also protesting for them to pull it down. Yeah, so let's see what happens. Okay, let's move on. Next, taking you to my country, Ghana. Yeah, from Ghana, so I'm taking you to my country. Yeah, Vodafone in Ghana is finally providing their customer with 4G network. Yeah, like we know we still using 3G in Vodafone, but Vodafone, that was like yesterday, 19th of March, Vodafone has officially launched the 4G network. Hooray! I know guys are happy to have like fast internet for streaming. You know, 4G is way better than 3G. 4G, like it enables fast video streaming, fast gaming, online gaming, a lot of things are faster. Download speed is faster, app round speed is faster using 4G. But don't forget, internet is a bit expensive in Ghana, so you will have to pay more using 4G than using 3G. So I advise fellow Ghanaians, if you don't want to really feel the pressure or spend a lot in data, I think what you should do is, if you need fast internet, maybe you want to view something quickly or download something, you can move to 4G. Yeah, almost every, like the new phones have that feature. You can switch from 4G to Edge to 3G. You can switch anytime. So if you're not using the 4G network, or you're just basic social media usage, surfing social media, basic stuff, yeah, just go 3G. If you want to do something advanced, download something faster, use more bandwidth, more speed, then you can go 4G. When you're done, switch back to 3G. That's the best way to save yourself a little bit of money. And finally, Google has brought a new gaming concept. For now, let me call it a concept, because it's not fully out there yet. For now, let me call it a concept. Google. Okay, Google have brought out a new gaming concept. Yeah, and with a better or a nicer controller. So enough of the controller. Let's get to the main issue. No, Google is saying that their new gaming concept, their new gaming deal they're bringing to the gaming market is going to be way better than the PlayStation and the Xbox or any other gaming console out there. This idea is really futuristic. Almost everyone right now is one way or the other playing online games, either your phone or your PC or console. Fortnite, PUBG, these games are top online games people are playing now, and Google has seen there's a niche there. Google, they're the king, the best when it comes to online streaming. See what they've done with YouTube. You can't compete with that. You get it? YouTube is the best streaming network ever. That's true. And they are coming up with this great gaming concept whereby you, the individual, can just stream a game online that. Just go online, stream a game and play. So they had this demo using Doom. They're coming out with this first game, Doom. I don't know if most of you have played Doom. There was this old game called Doom. I think they had a remake, the PC and Xbox, PS something. They had this remake. Doom is a very nice game, action-packed game. Yeah, what I saw is they brought this concept whereby you're watching someone play, someone streaming live playing the game, right? And you just decide, okay, this game is nice, I want to play it too. Just like how you click on play on YouTube, right? You just click on play and immediately the game starts streaming and you play with your controller. And the best thing is it's an online platform, so you can use any controller, your normal PC controller you have right now. You can use it to play. So it's I'm watching a YouTube video, then I'm I want to play this game in a video, then I just click on play and start streaming without downloading and going through all those processes to play a game. Now there's no download here, just click and play, streams instant. That's a great innovation. That's futuristic stuff when it comes to gaming. And I think that's, if this is actually going to play well, as they said, the demo they showed, if it's actually going to be like that, wow, it'll be a big competition for these other gaming companies. I am because there are a lot of other gaming platforms, Steam and these other ones, you have to download the game first before you can play. You don't just stream direct. You have to download the game onto a little bit, the files will be on your local drive, and you now link it to the internet to play. But this one, you don't have anything on your local drive. Imagine you can even have 1 gig worth of, if you can support your OS. Or your phone, the way your phone, just go online and stream a movie. The same way, watch YouTube videos. The YouTube videos are not on your phone. They're not on your local decks. You just play that way, straight up. I told you I have a surprise for you. When you watch this video to the end, I have a big surprise for you. And this is my first giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe and follow all my social media links. All you have to do is follow all my social media links. Yeah, it's going to be in the description box below. So just follow all that and subscribe, like my video, and comment. Yeah, the person who does that is going to get my camouflage gamepad. I'm giving this out to a lucky person. It's my favorite gamepad, and I'm giving it out to anyone who does these things I told you to do. Yes, my first giveaway in my YouTube channel. Yeah. So just do these things and this will be given out. Just follow me on my social media. I'll be announcing my winners there. So guys, just follow me and yeah, I'll announce my winners there. So that's it for today. This is your Tech News Wednesday, and just your boy Wabbit. You got your back the tech way. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video if you enjoyed this, and all the other stuff other YouTubers will tell you to do. Yeah, so see ya in the next video. Peace, double rock on, and I'm